a lovely Thursday morning. So I'm up early today. I'm up from like a little after 6. It's now 6:30. We're gonna get the day started right now. I have to go to the salon. I'm gonna clean the salon real quick, and then I have to go meet with um, with someone who's selling a POS system. I'm gonna take a look at it, see if it's in good condition. As I said, wherever I could save, guys, I'm gonna try and save. This bill is on a budget, so I'm trying to, whatever I could get at a discounted price, even if it's used, I'll get it used. It's a beautiful day today. It's gonna be a nice sunny day as usual. It's kind of a little bit cloudy outside, but you could tell when it's gonna be a nice day. Um, you know, it's beautiful. No birds on the bird feeder yet, but they'll figure it out eventually. So, yeah, guys. I'm gonna get the day started now. I got my hot water going on. This morning talk is not gonna be a long talk. I gotta head over because it's traffic time. 7-8 o'clock is traffic. Where I'm going is probably like 45 minutes away, 30 minutes away. So I'm gonna get the salon clean and start heading that way. I'm supposed to be meeting the guy at 9. So by the time I'm done with the salon, at least 7:30, 8 o'clock, I could head that way to go meet him. Once I get there at the salon, I'm gonna check back in with you guys. So right now I'm just getting some hot water to go, and then I'll be on my way. Hot water is boiling. Yesterday I had picked up some more coconut milk, make some rice for the weekend. I use the canned peas, guys. I could use the real peas and boil it, but it just takes too long. So I get it's real peas. They just process it and put it in the can. As far as processing stuff, I don't really eat anything out of a can, but this makes the process easier when making rice and peas. If I'm gonna make peas to eat, like lentil beans and stuff, then I won't buy it in a can. I'll make those for myself, like chickpeas and stuff. I'll buy it real peas. In this case, it's rice and peas. This is quick and easy. I use the processed ones. Yeah. So as I said, it's not strict. I'm not like Ital or anything like that, where I won't eat it from a can. Every now and then I will. Most of it I'm not eating it anyway. I just make it for everybody. You know. People might bash me and say, yo, if I don't eat it, why I give it to other people? They already eat it every day. It's just, if I know somebody's not eating it, then I won't offer it to them. You know what I'm saying? I wouldn't offer a Ital Rasta person or a real vegan person that to eat. You know what I'm saying? Because I know it's from the can. So don't bash me, guys. I'm not gonna do that knowingly. No, you don't eat it and give it to you. As I said, I would love to build my concept as in the past, the restaurants. If there's something that I don't eat, like, I tried to keep everything natural in the last, restaurants, the seasonings, ingredients. I tried to keep it natural, but in these days and times, it's hard to do that. Everything is pretty much processed. If you buy something and you see it and it comes from the ground, it goes through some kind of not processing, but fertilizers and pesticides and stuff like that. They still use it in order to keep, to produce it. They have to do all those things. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna head out. I was just checking I'm gonna check my YouTube a little bit and see. Okay, so we even got some comments. Let's see what the comments are. Okay, I don't know what's going on here. Oh, it took long to come up. It took a while to come up. Alright, so let's see. Okay, so it's a friend of mine. I was looking to see if a stranger left a comment, but It's actually a friend of mine. Somebody, uh, somebody put, I need some muscles. I don't know who put that, but they put I need some muscles and put some emojis like this. I don't know who is thinking where they're fucking fucking. I don't know. It's some German word. I'm thinking I know who this is. I have a friend that lives over in Germany, and I'm thinking that him is Flugerhafen Finkenwerder. I don't know what kind of name is that, but it sounds German. So yeah, guys. So you got all sorts of crazy people out there. But they left in the comments saying that I need some muscles because I was in a little short sleeve shirt on one of those videos. So I guess that's why they say I need some muscles. And I'm thinking it's a friend of mine because he's got muscles. So maybe it's him. I'm not sure. He's probably under disguise with that name. Yeah, guys. But keep the comments coming in. It's I love the comments. I'm just gonna reply to it, working on it, just reply to my peoples, and then anything negative, guys, I won't reply to it. But stuff like this, I don't think it's negative. It's just they put a little smiley face, and so I'll do the same. Put a smiley face there as well, you know. Yeah. So let me put a little smiley. Okay. All right. So hit reply, and then yeah. So yeah, guys. It's entertaining to see what they leave sometimes. I enjoy, Alright, guys, so let's get to it, man. I'm gonna head out and get on over to the salon real quick. I'll check back in. Alright, guys, so I'm here at the salon. It's a beautiful morning. It's not too hot. Yesterday wasn't too hot. It was a nice day. I'm here in the parking lot in the back. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. Just gonna go in here real quick, get it cleaned out. It's now probably around 7. Yeah, it's probably around 7 o'clock, 7 a.m. I'm going to give it a quick clean, make sure everything is good. No one is here as yet. It's early, so no one is here yet as yet. Yeah, so I'm just gonna give it a good clean. The bathrooms ain't that dirty. It's just a little bit of hair and stuff. The front, the hallways just have a few here and there. Yeah, it's just a quick vacuum, quick clean the kiosk off. See that little kiosk thing in the front? Pop-up shop. What's this? Kamisha, the Royal Guard, 4 more. Sunday Junta. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna check it out and see. Let's see who's Kamisha. See, what happened is you can't be. I always verify to make sure all the cards and everything. This spot is reserved for the tenants that's in here. You can't have It's like a do not compete. I can't have people coming from outside, and putting their flyers here to compete with the guys that's in here. You know what I'm saying? Unless it's someone in here and they're friends of them, and still you can't have a friend competing against someone else. It's just just can't happen. Um, Not in the same building. You're free to put it anywhere in the parking lot outside of the building, but you don't see McDonald's have someone from Wendy's putting their flyers in McDonald's or vice versa. You know what I'm saying? There's no way I could take Firehouse over here could take their flyers and go put into Marlowe's or vice versa, right? They're both restaurants, so it's the same. We can't be advertising outside people in this establishment, right? Not when it comes to the same stuff, like the same, what you would call it now. Not when it comes to the same service, you know? Not in the same building. Now, you could have a salon here and a salon beside it and a salon in the same park plaza. You could have the same salon, the two, different salons in the same plaza. But you can't have they if you get the drift. Yeah. So let's see, some of these people they go by aliases, so I don't know, if it's someone that's already here or someone that I didn't really know their name, This is a long IG account, guys. G. Okay, found it. So let's see who's this. Careful, accurate, African ready to wear trends and timeless pieces. Okay, so it's pretty much they're dealing with clothes. They're selling clothes. So like African wear, that's what they're doing. Yeah, they're selling African clothes. However, the card is not even small, it's a big old flyer, so I think I'm gonna get rid of it. I'm gonna just put it in the back. It's a flyer that I could set, but I don't have like a notice board or anything like that. It's just for people who are in here. The people who are leaving these things she might be a customer or something like that, or but at the end of the day, there's places for those kind of things. If it was a nice neat flyer or a card or something, then I would have probably left it. But this is a whole page, like it's a printed page. If you look at it, see, it's got the stuff on the back. But yeah. Well, anyway, if you want to go support them, I will put it on there. You could go support them. It's a pop-up shop. African print collection. Sunday, June 30th. Market opens at 1 p.m. It's gonna be I don't know where it's gonna be. It's a pop-up shop, but they said check out their IG for more info. How are you gonna make a flyer on a pop-up shop and you didn't put where the pop-up shop is gonna be? Shop African print collection. Kamisha the Royal Girl. It says African kimonos and kaftans and dresses. It just says market opens at 1 p.m. And then it says for more info check out our IG. So it's kind of, I think it's ambiguous is the word. If you're gonna make a flyer, put where you're gonna have your pop-up shop. That's that's the key thing. People gotta know where you are, right? So all right, so if you look at our pages, the first thing that pops up is the address. I want people to know how to find me, how to, the phone number and the address is right there at the top. Everything else could come after. You gotta let people know how to contact you. For me, I hate when I go on a website. Like yesterday I was on a restaurant website. Just to find that number, I had to skip through a bunch of different pages and click at the bottom and click on a lot of stuff at the bottom just to find that phone number to call them, So I hate that. Anyway, I'm gonna give this a quick clean because I gotta head up to pick up that POS system I'm looking at. So let me put the address in, see how much time I have. So guys, if you don't know, whenever I got the whenever I'm going somewhere, I pretty much put the address in, so I know. So this says 33 minutes, 26 miles, right? It's now 7:14, so it says I'll get there 7:47, right? But with traffic, when the traffic wakes up here, it might take longer, right? So what I'll do, if I get there at 7:47, I'm supposed to be meeting them at 9. So I know it says 7:47, so let's say I have an hour to do what I gotta do in order to still make it at 9. So I have an hour to stay here, and it ain't gonna take that long. It's probably just gonna take 15 minutes here. But what I do is put it in the GPS so I could know how much hours I have, or how much time I have, I should say. All right, so let me get to it. I'm gonna clean the salon real quick, and hot water, guys. Drink your hot water. Stay away from the sugar teas and the milky teas and stuff like that. It's not good. I try not to put any sugar in my body, like any kind of processed sugar or anything sweet. No sodas, no juice. Occasionally I'll have coffee. I'll put coffee creamer or milk. No, I don't buy coffee creamer anymore because I don't like the process. So I'll just use probably some milk or something like that. But stay away from the sugars, guys. It's not good. Anyway, I'm gonna give it a quick vacuum. Alright guys, I'm gonna get to it. Alright guys, so we got done with the salon. Our daily rental is clean, as you can see. I used it yesterday. It's clean. I believe we have another one for tomorrow. So guys, if you're in the A and you need a daily rental space, I gotta put a TV up there for them. But if you need if you're clean. So guys, if you're a barber or hairstylist, braider, we have a wash bowl already installed. Chairs, mirrors, workstation. It's already installed. So if you guys in the A and need a daily rental to provide services, it could be eyelash, nails, for the day, we offer preferably braiders and hairdressers. And so hold on guys, music playing, hold on. Yeah, the royal guy over there, he jamming. He got his little speaker playing and everything, music loud, and I didn't want to get no copyrights, guys, so I cut the video a little bit. Yeah, so as I was saying, if you need a space to perform your services, any kind of personal professional service, like like hair braiders, eyelash, beautician, makeup, we have a space inside there. You could do rentals, daily rentals. It's really affordable, guys. You guys could check it out. You have all the amenities for the day. Like you have a keyless entry to the doors. We have intercoms to let your customer in. We have ample parking in the back and the front of the building. It's nice and clean. Bathrooms are clean once or twice a day, depending on the day. Weekends we try to do it twice. During the week, like a Monday, Tuesday. Today it's not that busy. Tomorrow for them is gonna be busy, so more people go inside, in and out. So yeah, check it out. Lifestyle Salon Suite .com. Alright, so now I'm gonna head up to, I got the GPS on. It says, see, it was 36 showing green. Now it's 46 minutes showing red. So the traffic is traffic is built up. So yeah guys, I'm gonna head out and head up to Gainesville. It looked like it was an accident or construction work going on. So alright, but I'm gonna head out though. I'm gonna drive by the where restaurant is gonna be just brunch is opening up now. So you know, days like these, I don't think you might have one or two persons. See one person going in for brunch. It's not normally crazy on a Thursday morning or a Wednesday morning. Hold on, guys. Let me inform the person that I'm on my way. Before I all right. Alright, so I just, you know, text them, let them know, let me make sure I have the money and I don't have to stop. Yeah guys, so been spending out a lot of money, guys, for these equipment. You know, every day is just spending from here on. The money is just flying out the account like you know, it's crazy. Okay, so I have enough money right here to pay for it. Yeah, guys, wherever I could get the deal, when it comes to wherever I could get the deal, when it comes to the equipment, I'm gonna try, even if it's used. You know, once it's in great condition or good condition, I'll take it. And the reason for that is just that I'm trying to save money. I ain't got lots of money to put out on this project. You know what I'm saying? We have a budget that I'm working with, so I have to, you know, somewhat go with that budget, you know? Yeah. Or less. I'm trying to do it for less. Pretty much less than the budget. I know I won't be able to do it for less than the budget, but I'm trying to save where I can, you know, that way I could use that money, that savings to you know, make it go farther, stretch it a little bit. Yeah. So yeah guys, yesterday's video, I still haven't edited yesterday's video. I'm gonna edit it today sometime. I have a bunch of items I want to look at and possibly pick up today. I found the POS. I found the 24-inch 4-burner range I'm trying to get. I found one. It's quite a bit away from me, so I'm gonna try and pick that up if it's available, if it's still there. I'm gonna try and contact them and go and pick it up. If not, there's another sink that's in Decatur. I'm gonna try and none of those people answered yet, so I don't know if I'm gonna get them today or tomorrow, but I'm interested in those. You know, the price is right, the condition is good, so I'm gonna see if I could get a hold of them today. As far as the tiling, I got a hold of that guy. He sent me a picture of the tile itself. You know, he has 3 pallets of it, so I'm gonna take it from him. However, he's in the next state over, about 2 hours away. Some people would say, why go through all of that? And you know what I'm saying, why don't I just go with here, local new? I'm getting these tiles at, I would say, for a quarter of the price. Yeah, about a quarter of the price. So whatever it is, I could tell the price. I'm getting these tiles for $500. If I should buy them in the store, it's gonna be $2,000, maybe $2,000 something with tax, right? So it's worth driving 2 hours to go pick them up. I'm just gonna spend probably $50 or $100 in gas. So if it cost me $600, I would have paid $2,000 something, maybe $2,200, all said and done with the taxes and everything. So I'm saving right there. So I don't know, maybe someone would just buy it and not drive 2 hours for it, but I'll drive 2 hours one way and come back. It's a little drive out. I used to drive on the road anyway, so 2 hours is nothing for me. As a matter of fact, most of you guys drive 2 hours in a day. With the traffic going to work, coming from work, you drive more than 2 hours, I guarantee you, unless you work down the street 15 minutes, and that's different. But for most commuters who works in the city and lives, you know, outside of the city, they'll travel more than 2 hours in one day, or 4 hours, right? So that's no big deal. I'll just head up there and pick it up. He said Saturday, so I'm gonna head up Saturday and go get those tiles. So right now I'm heading to this place called Gainesville. It's about 40 minutes because of the traffic, but it's actually about 23 miles. Normally it's about 35 minutes to get up there from where I'm at, or less, 30 minutes from the salon. So I'm just gonna head up there now and see if check out the POS system. If it checks out, then I'll grab it from him. All right, check in when we get further on. Oh, my glass is dirty, guys. Don't pay attention to my glass, but we're on the highway. I'm on the highway pretty much. Yeah, so you know, just a quick recap. Oh, this is the exit that the gas station is on. See, they're building a new exit from this end. You guys could see it. See, so soon we'll have our own exit on this road right here. That road, we'll have our own exit for the gas station. So Peppers is in a Circle K gas station. For all who didn't know, the Peppers project we're working on, it's in a gas station, Circle K, and that's the exit we just passed right there. They're building a new exit. That road didn't have any exit from the highway, so we're getting that exit right there, which is good. Coming next year, we'll have more traffic, more people, easy access to get off the highway. We could do a lot of promotions, you know, close to the highway. We could probably possibly adopt one of those highway things and put a sign over here or something like that. There's lots of possibilities when it comes to being close to the highway, you know. Unfortunately, the gas station doesn't have like truck. It's not big enough for trucks to pull over. They don't sell. They don't have a, you know, it's not a truck gas station. So, you know, we can't cater to the truckers. As I said, I'm just catering to mostly the corporate people that's in that area. But it is good to have an access right off the highway, you know. You'll have more people traveling on that road, you know. So yeah, heading to Gainesville. Just a quick recap. As I said, all week we got the hood. The hood was wrong. For those who checking in now, the hood system, they sent out a 10-foot hood, supposed to be a 12-foot hood. The hood guy, he ordered the new one. So on this one, he said to just leave it in the space. He's gonna take care of it, take that one and then, you know, install a new one when he gets here. So the hood came, that was wrong. I took most of the ceiling tiles that we need to remove down. I got that part down. I got, you know, a couple of equipment already. I went to look at some equipment yesterday, still didn't satisfy. I'm just trying to get, you know, some of these smaller things used. Some of them I might just take new, like the refrigerators. I'm thinking I'm just gonna buy those new. Yeah, from Webster. So I spoke to them yesterday. Webster said all I have to do is just send them an email with what I have in the cart, and they could give me a better price. So I'm gonna get that done later on today or tomorrow. I'm gonna get that done. Yeah. But yeah, it's pretty much, you know, moving along well. I mean, these 2 weeks I'm waiting on permits. So because I'm waiting on permits, there's not much for me to do. So in the meantime, I'm just shopping for those equipment, and I'm gonna store them away in the garage or wherever I can. Yeah. So yeah, we'll see. Early, but yeah, man, so you see how they got those exit right there? That exit had a you notice on the highways they got those exit that says racetrack QTBP right there. You see that? You could sign up with the government on that government thing and get your logo. I guess you have to apply, and you could get your business name on that sign. So if they have a sign right there on that exit, we could put, you know, or stuff on there. So the only thing is our gas station is not directly on the exit. When you get off, you gotta make the left and go down maybe quarter mile down, then we're on the right. So it'll still work if we put our sign or name out there. It's always good, because what they'll do, they'll see it and Google it, you know what I'm saying, and then they'll take us to where they need to be. So yeah, you know, we on it, guys. I'm pretty much over here trying to get these equipment. Hopefully we could find some good deals within now and next week. We're trying to get them and get it out of the way, and at the same time I'm trying to you know, make sure I take my time and research these things and get the right, you know, stuff. So yeah, I'm on the way. I'm gonna check back in once I get up the street. It says 35 minutes. It has a slowdown up here. Hopefully it's not a real slowdown. It cleared up by now. But I'm heading, you know. Oh yeah, it's an accident. We had a slowdown right here. I could see it slowing down. So it's like a 14-minute delay because of this. Yeah, but we'll go through it, guys. We have enough time. It says we're gonna reach there on time anyway, even with the slope. You know, the thing about this road is there's no bypass. We can, you know, we could probably take the local road over here. We could probably get off on this one, right? Oh, we can't get off. There's no exit to get off and get out of this traffic right here. I would have to get off from the last one down there, the last exit, and then take the side streets and go up. But you know, it says we're gonna reach before time, so we still got 15 minutes. You know, we're gonna get there 15 minutes early, so even with the traffic, we'll be all right. Yeah. Well, yeah. I'm gonna check back in once I head up the road. Right now we're just in traffic. It looks like there's a construction work. That's what it says. It's not an accident. It's construction work. So we're just gonna wait it out. Head on up the road. Alright, check back in when we get back up the road. Alright guys, we made it through the traffic. We're about to pull up on this place now. It's 606. Let's see. Somewhere down here on the left. 702. Somewhere right here. 606 right here. Okay. Alright, so it's a little service spot right there. That blue building right there. Sorry guys. Camera close. Alright guys, so went and looked at the POS. It's working. However, the screen is loose on the base. It's one of those POS system where the screen is attached to the base and it rotates like this, right? So you could position it, you know, but it's just doing like this. It's loose, right? Now Now, the seller didn't disclose that in the descriptions. I don't know why he's selling something he know it's broken and you're gonna let people come out and look at it. To be honest, I could have left, like, on Facebook. They let you leave a review for the seller. I can put a review. I think I may put a review in there and say, hey, screen is loose, just beware of that before you go, because people wasting time going all the way out there, you know, because he didn't mention it. I was corresponding with it about it and stuff like that. He didn't mention that the screen was loose at all. He just acted like everything is good on it. You know, I even tried to haggle the price a little bit on the phone, not knowing that it was loose, and he said no, he was firm on the price. Then no, when I get here, the screen is broken, right? It's not, it's loose. So this is the thing when you're buying on Facebook and you ain't buying stuff new. You're gonna find issues like these where people try to sell you garbage, you know what I'm saying? So you have to just waste time. Unfortunately, you're searching for that deal, but you gotta waste time to go all the way out there to find out it's no good, right? I drove like 45 minutes in, you know, I was in traffic. It's 30 miles away, back and forth. I wasted 2 hours pretty much. However, he's out of the picture. I deleted his stuff. So now I got a hold of the guy with the sink, with the single compartment sink. So he said he'll meet me later on today so I could get that sink. So hopefully he comes through and I meet him. He gave me his number and stuff like that. So I'm gonna link with him sometime in the evening so I could go get it. So that's pretty much good news. One didn't go through, but the other one is going through. So now I could take the sink off the list once I have it in my hand. Once I have that sink in my hand, then I could take it off the list. Sorry guys if you guys are shaking. I had it on the center console. Yeah. So, you know, as I said, Facebook, sometimes it's good deals, sometimes it's bad deals. Sometimes you have to just pass on the deal. So that's what I did. I pretty much just passed. I didn't take that POS system. So now, you know, it's too good to be true. Sometimes the price is too good to be true. Whenever the price is that cheap, then you know something is wrong, right? So I saw a bunch of other ones. So I'm just gonna head back home, do a little research. I could go to there's a 4-burner range that's that I could go look at in Mableton. I'm gonna look at it, look up the address right now. I'm gonna pull over somewhere and put in the address. Maybe I could do that and then head back up and check out the POS later on. Since I'm on the road already, I'll probably just go take a look at that and see. So let me do that, guys. Let me put the address in the GPS and see how far is it. Alright guys, so I looked at the address and everything. It's in Mableton, which is quite a bit away. It's like an hour and something, and the reason why it takes that long is because of traffic time. It's only 9 o'clock here, so I ain't gonna go over there now to go stuck in traffic on the highways. I'm gonna wait until in the middle of the day, and then I'll go in the middle of the day. So right now I'm just gonna go back home, regroup, search for any other POS that's available, and then, you know, go check out the 4-burner in the middle of the day. In the middle of the day, the traffic is not so much going over on that side. It's like going down into the city. So I'll just hold off and go over there at a later date, at a later time. Yeah, so the POS system was a bust. The sink I'm gonna meet for this evening, and then I'm also gonna head over to the restaurant equipment store and check out that 4-burner. So yeah guys, I'll check back in when I get home. I have some video. I have yesterday's video to edit, so I'm gonna head home and start working on that video. I also have some meats to get seasoned, so I'm gonna season those meats once I get home and go from there. Alright, it's life every day. Keep checking in. I ain't got nothing to do at the peppers today. I took the ceilings down and all of that. I'm gonna go back and check on permits, check on the review, see if the plan review, how far they get with it. I could log in and check to see how far they are with that. So yeah, let me check back in when I get to the house. Alright guys, so I'm testing out the meat mixer. That's how it works right there. See, the seasoning is completely, the meat is tumbling in there and it's completely seasoned. That's the meat mixer right there. So now we could season like one case at a time, one or two cases at a time. This mixer could hold like two cases, but you know, we're only gonna put one at a time. Alright, there you go. Alright guys, so we're back on the road. I was home getting something to eat. Made some green plantains. So now I'm heading to the bank. I'm gonna get some funds to pay for the sink when that guy called me, and I'm gonna get some funds to pay for a POS system. I found another deal guys, so hopefully this one works out and it's good. The one this morning, it wasn't good. The screen was flappy like this, so it's not secured. It's broken. It's not tight on that base, so when you touch it, it just flaps over like that. I don't know why that guy never told me before I got there. I went all the way, like an hour away, almost 40 something 50 minutes away, and only to find out it's no good. So ended up passing on that one. So now I'm going to pick up another one. This other guy reached out and said he accepted my offer, so hope this one is good. So I'm just heading to the bank, and then I'm gonna meet him, pick that one up, and then once I pick that one up, I'm on standby waiting for the guy with the sink. He's down in Decatur, so I'm gonna just hold off and wait on him. Yeah, so hopefully he'll call me back this evening, and I'll just swing over and get it. Hope he don't call in the middle of traffic time, because going down to Decatur at 5 o'clock is crazy. It's crazy. Yeah guys, alright, so I'm going to that little ATM right there. There's a little Bank of America ATM over there. Well, I'm gonna take that out. I don't want you guys to know what bank I bank with. So I'm gonna take that out. Come on. Yeah guys, so we on it. We getting equipment, just shopping for equipment. As I said, tomorrow I'm gonna go to a restaurant store. There's a restaurant store that has the burner, 4 burner range that I want. Call them up, say they have a couple in stock. They have a couple ovens in stock too, so I'm gonna go down there and check on those, see if it's something that we could purchase. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow, but today POS and the sink. And then Saturday I'm still considering going all the way to Tennessee to pick up the floor tiles. They're a really good deal, so at the end of the day, there's nowhere else I'm gonna get 3 pallets of tiles for $500. 3 pallets of tiles is gonna probably run us somewhere around anywhere from $1,600, about $2,000 is gonna run us with tax, or a little more than 2,000 for 600 square feet. The quarry tiles, they have the red ones that's in every restaurant. Those red ones are pretty much cheaper, but it still would run me $1,500 somewhere there about for the red ones. So I'm getting the gray ones, the Sahara sand. It's like a grayish light cream gray color. So as I said, even if I go with the red ones, I'm getting these tiles for way less than the gray ones, the red ones. So I don't like the red ones. The red ones just seem, I don't know, I just don't like that red color in a kitchen. So I'm gonna go with the gray ones. So yeah, it's a full weekend. So I'm gonna go to Tennessee on Saturday, pick those up, and then Sunday we're going to the river. I'm gonna head over to the river on Sunday. So hold on, guys. Let me get this money. Hold on. Alright, guys. So got the funds. We're heading to pick up the POS now. Yeah. Oh, I gotta get some gas as well, so I'm gonna stop and get me some gas. Stop up by the Walmart and get me some gas. I'm gonna check in once I get there. It says 12 minutes away, so I'm heading up there. Alright, guys, so I met with the guy who was selling the POS system. I got it. It's here in the back. It seems to be good. He pretty much turned it on and logged in. We log in. I logged into my account and all of that. So it seemed to be in good working condition. Yeah. So we all I have to do now is just start programming what I need to program in it. So when I go home, I'll test it, run a card transaction, do a card transaction. I already got Square and everything, so I'm just gonna log in, set up the account, and do a card transaction and see if it works. He wanted to do a transaction, log into his, and do that card transaction. I'm looking at it, and it's pretty new. So I don't think I should have any problems with it. It looks way newer and better than the other one that I saw this morning. It's the new version, the 3rd generation version. So it's all good. So now I'm just waiting on the guy with the sink. He's gonna hopefully he calls me sometime today. He said later in the evening, so it's now 4:40. So hopefully after traffic I could go get it. So I'm just here on standby waiting for him to give me a call. I'm gonna shoot him a text in a minute, see if he's still gonna make it or not. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna go over by Ross and Marshall, see if we can find 2 shots. Shots them are run low. And I have no shots to wear. My shots them weird out, worn out. So now I get 2 shots, guys. Yeah, it's traffic time now, so it's kind of busy over here. Really busy. But I'm in the area. I'm right by Ross and Marshall, so I'm just gonna stop over there real quick. See if they have anything. Yeah, man. So the day ago. So today, me get a lot done today. Pretty much I wasted some time going for the other one, but this guy came through and I offered him 500 and he accepted it. You know, this system new is around 800 bucks, so I saved 300 on it. It's probably a little bit more. Well, no, I think on Square it's 800, 7 something. So I saved 300 on that. So all I need to do now, take that 300 I save, I could go buy a printer or two. I could probably get 2 printers for 300, you know. So I'm getting more for the money. I'm spending the same money, but as the, you know, but I'm getting more items, right? So shop around, guys. Shop around, and you know, and you'll get deals. You know, keep looking, keep searching. Facebook Marketplace, you know, keep searching. Every day stuff come up, because this wasn't here yesterday. I was there looking yesterday, and then after I didn't find this one, well, after I checked that one and it was broken, I went back home, started searching again, and this one was just listed. I asked the guy, hey, will it take 500? He listed it for like 650 or 645. I said, yo, will it take 500? I got cash right now. He said, come on. So went over there, a real cool guy. He works in a salon, so he just hook it up and log on to the Wi-Fi, make sure everything works right here in front of me. So, you know, real, he ain't trying to get over on no one. The other guy up there, he knew that wasn't working, guys. He knew that that stand was broken, and he still let me drove all the way up. And you know what the messed up thing is? That guy was selling it for 300, right? The one up there that I went and looked on this morning. And I'm saying, yo, 300, that's just too good to be true, you know? So I said, let me go look at it anyway. So because he listed it for 200, I asked him, I said, yo, 250. Since you listed for 2, you know, I'm gonna haggle you a little bit, you know? Dude said, no, he's firm on the 300, and didn't even tell me it's broken. You see what I'm saying? So it is what it is. He didn't even show up. He left it at this store, and this lady that couldn't even talk English, she was the one who was showing it to me. So he knew it was broken, so that's why he didn't even, he let somebody else show it. Anyhow, I ain't gonna leave him no bad review or anything like that, because on Facebook you could rate that buyer or seller. You know, I'm just gonna leave it at that. I ain't gonna leave him no bad review or anything like that. I ain't about negativity, guys. You know what I'm saying? Even although he did me wrong by not telling me, you know, maybe I should. You know what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave a review so that others don't waste their time going to look at this thing, right? So I'm gonna probably leave a review. You know what, in this case, I'm gonna leave a review. Not saying that it's a bad and he didn't whatever. I'm just gonna let people know, hey, don't waste your time going up there for a broken item, because he ain't gonna buy it. You know what I'm saying? All I did was just waste gas time to go out there. If he had told me that it was flippy floppy like that, I would have just not go, you know. But I don't know why they wasting people's time. So you know what, I'm gonna leave a bad review for him on that one. He deserves a bad review, to be honest, because then I would have left it alone. But because others are gonna go all the way up there and waste their day just to go look at it, this guy ain't live up the, like, close by in the city. He lives way out, away from the city. You know what I'm saying? So just because I know others is gonna look at it, I'm gonna leave not a bad review, but I'm gonna leave a review, you know, saying that, hey guys, if it's okay you buying a broken stand, then you could go take a look at it. Other than that, you know, don't waste your time, because when you go out there, you're gonna find out, and then, you know, he didn't put it in the description. So, you know, that's messed up. He didn't do that, you know. You should always at least let people know that it's broken. You know what I'm saying? So anyhow, guys, I'm gonna go get some parking and then go into Ross first. In this plaza you got Ross right there, and then you have Marshall's over there. So I'm gonna get some parking right here and then head on inside and see what they got. Alright guys, so let me back up right here. This truck that I'm driving is real huge. It's long. It's like a 8-foot bed. So it would be like a dually, but it's not a dually. It's just the regular wheels in the back. But it's just as long. It's the same length of one of those big long dually, full 4 doors and stuff. So it's pretty long. So because it's so long, I can't park anywhere. Because then sometimes you park and the other cars park beside you. You can't get out. You gotta be going forward, backward, you know. It's kind of tight. I don't want to hit anybody. So most times when I'm parking, I'll go to the end, way over the end of the parking lot, or you know what I'm saying, or if the space is wide enough, then I'll park. But yeah, so I'm gonna head out and get in the store. I'm gonna text this guy at the same time too, see if he still wants to meet. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna check back in when I get back in when I get into the store. See, I'm at Rough. Alright, I'm gonna text this guy real quick and see if he still wants to meet later on today. Alright guys, so day's been going. It's the evening time now. It's after 8. Picking up my daughter. However, I got the sink. It's in the back right there. You could see it in the pickup in the back. I got the sink. I got the POS system. You know, I stopped by and got some shorts from Ross. But yeah, day is almost finished. Today I accomplished a lot today. I wanted to try and make it to Mableton to get the 4-burner range, countertop range, but the traffic, and I was waiting on this guy for the sink, so I didn't want to go too far. So right now I'm just gonna drop my daughter off and then head back up, put the sink in the garage. Then tomorrow I'll go and try and see if I could get that 4-burner. So right now I just need the refrigerator I was looking at, the 4-burner, and the double stack oven. Those are the 2 major items I'm trying to get. So hopefully I could find something tomorrow. If I don't find anything by next week, I'll just go ahead and order them online. The prices are about the same, you know, online as what the places are selling them for. So yeah guys, I'm here. I'm just waiting. She ain't ready yet, so I'm waiting for them to finish, and then, you know, we go from there. So let me go show you the sink in the meantime. Yeah, this sink was a little bit bigger than expected, but by a couple inches. So see, it's in pretty good condition. Yeah, real good condition. It's the thicker one too, it's not the thin ones, and it has a faucet. It comes with the faucet and the sign on there. So veggie prep sink only. So yeah, that's what it looks like guys. It's good. The legs are stainless steel, so it's not, you know, rusted up like the galvanized ones. The galvanized ones are normally rusted up and, you know, ugly. But see, it's in very good shape, you know, nice and clean. It's almost new. So all I need now is a 3-tier sink. So hopefully I could find a 3-tier sink as well. 3-tier sink, mop sink, and I already have the hand wash sinks already. So it's quite a bit of things left to be bought. But yeah, we're going through. We're taking our time. We're going through. Day is almost over. I might end this vlog somewhere right around here, because after I drop my daughter, there's nothing else. It's gonna be dark. I don't get home till maybe 10 tonight. So today was a full day guys. Today I started out at about 6 o'clock this morning. Got up at around 6. Or was before 6? I think it was around 6. Got up 6. I head out by about 6:30. Went to the salon, clean the salon, get that ready. Head up to Gainesville to pick up that POS. However, that POS didn't work out. I passed on it. I didn't take it because it was broken. So I left, came back home, did some more calls, research, and did some more calls, and then one of the other guys said that he'll accept the money I'm paying. So he pretty much, I went and picked it up from him, the other POS. It's almost new, guys. It's new. It's pretty much new. It's just a little bit dusty and dirty, but it's brand new compared to the one I saw this morning, and it's the latest version, so I know I'm good. He plugged it in. He works, he's a salon, he works in a salon, so he plugged it in. I was able to log into the Wi-Fi and log into my account on it and all of that, did all of that. So it's working, it's good, right? So now all I need for that system to finish that out is the receipt printer, and I'm gonna need the receipt printer, and I'm going to need the KDS, the kitchen display system. So I'm probably gonna have to buy that brand new, because I don't see any of them coming up used. So I'm thinking I'm gonna have to buy it brand new. So yeah, I mean, there's a couple of things I still have to get, you know. So yeah. But yeah, guys, I'll check back in later on if I have anything else to add to it or not. I'll see you tomorrow. It's gonna be a interesting Friday. Driving up and down. I'm gonna be going to Mableton to look at those things, and then I'm gonna search online. I have today's video, I have yesterday's video to upload. It's finished editing, but I didn't upload it, so tonight I'll upload yesterday's video, and then I have this video to edit either tonight or tomorrow. Friday, it might be a busy day tomorrow. I'm gonna pick up a few more things. So we're going on a little river trip, guys. I'm gonna put later out the bag. Sunday I'm going on a little river trip up to the mountains where we were the last time, you know. We'll take the family and stuff and go chill out a little bit. My daughters are coming, so we're gonna chill out a little bit up there, and that's Sunday. So I'm going to get some more stuff. It's probably about 16 people, so 18 people. So I'm going to get a few more hot dogs and burgers and burger bread and stuff like that. I'll do that tomorrow. I bought juice and water and all of that. We're gonna do some chicken in the oven and take with us. My daughter, she's doing vegetables and sandwiches and stuff like that. So we should be good on food to go up there. So yeah, that's that. So I'm gonna be doing some vlogging of us driving up there and stuff. I won't show you the family because it's my vlog, it's about me, but we'll show you the river and me in the tube and stuff like that. We'll show you that part, right? Yeah. Unless they want to be in the vlog, family vlog. Yeah. So yeah, guys, we're gonna take that little trip up there and chill out for the day and have a little picnic on the river. That's Sunday, and then tomorrow, so this weekend is gonna be crazy. So tomorrow I'll be up and down still hunting for equipment, but then Saturday I'm gonna go to Nashville, Tennessee to pick up the tiles. I decided I'm gonna take those tiles. I'm saving way a lot of money. It's like quarter of the price, so I'm gonna drive up there. It's like a 4-hour drive, so I'm gonna drive up there Saturday morning. I'm thinking I'm gonna leave early Saturday morning, and once I leave early Saturday morning, I'll just get there maybe about 10. If I leave, let's say I leave 5 in the morning, 6, 7, 8, 9, I'll get there by 9 o'clock in the morning. I could load up what I'm loading up. Probably take me about an hour. It's 3 pallets of tiles, so maybe about an hour and a half. And then once I get loaded, I could head back this way. So if I leave the latest, let's say 11 o'clock up there, I'll be back down here by 3. That will give me some time to just rest off a little bit and then start cooking Saturday night for Sunday. So we're gonna cook the meats and the rice and peas and stuff. We're gonna cook all those things at the house and just take it with us. And the reason for that is we ain't trying to go up there to do up one big cooking. We're just gonna put some stuff on the grill, grill up some hot dogs and stuff on the grill. The easy stuff. We're gonna do the easy stuff on the grill, and then we're gonna do the cooking at home. So yeah, guys, check back in later on. If not, if I don't see, I'm gonna close this vlog out. This vlog gonna be the closeout, and then I'm gonna head home and then get a good night rest and start early tomorrow morning. So check in with me tomorrow. All right, guys.